Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkulisoko. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe. Imamelodi Sundowns ngeke ibe ne-early Christmas break because bazotravela next week baye laphana eBotswana bodlala i-Charity Cup yakhona. Bathathe ama-player amaningi kakhulu bafethu ayodlala laphana i-Charity Cup ngoba bazodlala ngeyi-12 December le-Charity Cup bafethu eFrancistown. So ama-player akatravelile laphana ku-Sundowns noma azotravela ahamba eBotswana uMabena uLetlaku, uMothiba, uMatthews, uLebohang Mokoena umfana omncane laphana ku-DDC team owashaya amagoli atasale Soreinas, Thapelo Maseko ekungaziwa i-future yakhe bafethu ukuthi ikuphi ngempela heading to uJanuary. Then ama-players akhona-ke ane-experience kakhulu nawo akhona amanye oResinho, oRhomolimo Kekana umfana wako-DDC team abamnike i-senior contract maqala isizini. Nuno Santos siyazi ukuthi bamsanele naphesheya bafethu Adams nomfana laphana kulona uTsiki Nthabeleng. Experience captain Themba Zwane naye ukhona, Mkhulisi, u-Alende ukhona, uBasadeni, uLibusa, uKhoza, Cupido, uGrant uzobe khona, uThato Sibiya, ulona uKeegan Johannes lo bekumele ajoyine iSwele FC but-ke sekathola i-game time manje, few minutes uyawathola uyadlala. And then khona abadlali abafana noTiwani Mdunyelo, Thapelo Morena. Thapelo Morena siyazi ukuthi i-missed out on iBafana Bafana squad bafethu. This is sad but yeah, it is what it is. And then ko-goalkeeper-ke bano-goalkeeper bo-Riyad, uRiyad noFebruary noBiyela umfana wako-DDC team. Iso-ke isquad sama-player we-Sundowns awu-29 abazodlala laphana. Kaze bazovala nini? Or ama-team hhayi ukuthi bayavala ngoba baya ku-AFCON abantu bazoloke batraine bona. Maybe bazovala late ngeDisember. I think wonke ama-team not just i-Sundowns kuphela bafowethu. Maybe bazovala after i-15 or so, 15, 16, 17 December lapho. Then bayoze babuye ngoJanuary and then-ke getting up to speed ukuthi bakwazi ukudlala. So I mean le competition le noma i-Charity Cup bafethu le abayoyidlala laphana izobanika i-opportunity noma izonika uMiguel Cardoso opportunity ukuthi abone abanye abadlali. Sikhumbule ukuthi abadlali abayi-5 be-Sundowns abekho laphana esquadini. Why? Because of baye laphana kuBafana Bafana. Abadlali abafana ubani ulo Williams, ulona uTeboho Mokoena balaphana esquadini, nabanye-ke koKhuliso Mudau balaphana esquadini sakuBafana Bafana, u-Aubrey Modiba. So yibo-ke abaselecthiwe laphana ngeke babe khona ku-Charity Cup. Well, Charity Cup, I mean, it's not really big to be honest, into nje abayidlalayo, and I think ba-build-a obvious ubudlelwane nama-teams around the continent or baqhubeke badlala ama-match acishe abe competitive because ama-teams wakoBotswana uma edlala ne-Sundowns azomisela ukuthi akwazi uku-advertise-a kahle. But yeah, this gives njengoba bengishilo ukuthi I wish ulokhunjana uMiguel Cardoso vele adlalise abafana lesiyaqalise uBiyela. I don't think bazomqalisa because of noFebruary noRiyad abadlali, but oThato, I think abadlali abafana noThato Sibiya bayadeserve ukuthi badlale kulama Charity Cup. oRhumolimo, Tisbeke nabanye abadlali oTiwana abakayitholi i-game time that much bafowethu, to be honest. uMabena siyazi ukuthi u-recover from bekabuya kwi-injury and then ulaphana ku-DDC team. Is picking up i-form because of udlala kahle kakhulu laphana ku-DDC team. Naye-ke mengathola bamixe i-experience nabo ubani bamixe experience nabafana laphana baku-DDC team noMokoena because of abafana bafowethu bagudi kakhulu, to be fair bagudi. I think they can defeat ama-teams oseBotswana. Well, but ama-team oseBotswana bafethu singeke siwathathe kancane because of nabo they are building, baku-building phase, bayafuna ukubuilda ama-teams wabo ukuthi abe highly competitive, akwazi ukukhompyutha nama-teams from the rest of the continent. And ukudlala ne-Sundowns kubanika i-opportunity enkulu bafowethu. Bazodlala-ke nama-team ini iTraffic neFlamingos plus-ke ne-Wonders. Yeah, I think Wonders yakhona. Yeah, lezo yini u-Obedi Ithani Chulume Stadium la bazodlala khona. I-match kusho ukuthi le tournament izodlala i-top 4 kahle kahle bafethu. izodlala from 10 ekuseni to 10 ntambama. Kusho ukuthi ngo-10 kudlala ama-semi-finals awu-10. First semi-final ngo-10, ngo-12 kudlala second semi-final ezophela ngo-2. Then-ke late, and then i-final idlala late-ke, idlala late. Bathola isikhathi sokurelaxa, bayadlala and then bathola bama-4 hours or so yokurelaxa, then bayabuya-ke ntambama la bazodlala khona i-final. That's the story of i-Sundowns. Siyazi ukuthi ama-player afana no-Rainers bafethu ba-disappointed ukuthi abekho laphana kuBafana Bafana, but yeah, they just have to move on bafethu. As much as kunzima, move on and keep doing the work. URainers unamagoli amaningi kakhulu bafethu, especially last season wenze ibuka kuBetway Premiership, but-ke bamshiyile esquadini esitravelayo saku-AFCON. Hayi ziyakhala, Hugo Bros. Ngeke. Hhayi, Themba Mshishizwane, let's hope akalimali until i-World Cup, akwazi ukudlala kuma-match amaningi laphana ku-Sundowns. Siyazi-ke lapho bazokwazi ukumselektha ku-World Cup. Iplayer elifana noMkhulisi, uMkhulisi bafethu angazi ukuthi isitori sakhe ku-Sundowns, asibeni honest, angisazi isitori sakhe saku-Sundowns ukuthi umephi ngempela ne-team because of i-game time ayimfavor at all. And sekunesikhathi ingamfavor, iminyaka manje, akusuwunyaka noma isizini, iminyaka ingamfavor i-game time. So kunesikhathi phela if kusizini, mawubheka kusizini, if like uyahluleka ukudlala lesi amagame awu-15 lese kuBetway Premiership awu-50, half nje yamagame, kusho ukuthi awukho important phela ne-team. And then namagame lawo owadlalayo noma kuthiwa kuyafika kulowo number but uthola 10 minutes, 5 minutes, so that doesn't count really that much because ayikho into oyenzayo, awubonakali at all. Ufakwa nje let's say i-team iyawina, soku-obvious ukuthi uzoholda ibhola laphana, bayakufaka nje ngoba bagcina icala, but-ke awusuwumuntu abamdingayo laphana ethimini. Yeah. Sobona ukuthi bazodlala kanjani. Exciting times for ibhola laseBotswana ukuthi bakwazi uku-invite i-Sundowns. Omunye, one of the big names obviously-ke bafethu, Fawaz Basadeni, superstar, akekho kuBafana Bafana, na-disappointment, but-ke akatholi i-game time that much. For mina ngiyohlezi ngisho bafethu, angazi lento ngiyiphinda njalo uma ngikhuluma ngoBasadeni, this guy is the best left back in the country, the best. Ukuya phambili, ugodi, uya-assista, una how many goals? I think bekana over 20 assists and 7 goals laphana ku-career yakhe laphana ku-Stellenbosch as i-defender. And then nasemuva noma uyamark, unaleyo aggression leyo, but isithemba ukuthi sasekhona leso spirit sakhe laphana ku-Sundowns, not because of bamdrobhile usebhenchini isikhathi esiningi, not even ebhenchini, is not even making the match day squad, ukuthi i-confidence yakhe ayisekho. Sobona isikhathi masilokhu siqhubeka ukuthi indaba kaBasadeni izophela lapha, because if uzokwazi ukubuya ku-Sundowns bafethu adlala amagame amaningi, chaza ukuthi uzoya ku-World Cup, but kuzosala bani? Kusho ukuthi phela kuyosala uModiba, but sobona yinde le ndlela bafethu, yinde kakhulu le ndlela le yokuya ku-FIFA World Cup, yinde, kusazoliwa, kusazoba nzima. Danko bafethu, ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe, making sure ipage ifika ku-15,000 subscribers.